The Simpson Strong Tie SDWS timber screw is a superior structural fastener. It's the second generation, redesigned with a patented SawTooth point. It delivers faster starts, less torque, and eliminates the need for pre-drilling. All this reduces tool wear and extends your battery life. Bold thread design provides superior holding power even into the end grain of timber. Large washered head provides superior clamping force, while underhead nibs offer greater control for the installer when seating the head. No pre-drilling means more screws installed and less labour for you compared to conventional installation. These are serious screws for structural applications. Designed to be versatile, the SDWS is recognised as a solution for engineered wood connections and is the only structural screw backed by testing and load data. SDWS has many other timber connection applications, including, but not limited to, outdoor structures, deck frames and ledges, landscaping, structural timber framing. It replaces strapping, which means no interference with the wall cladding. One screw for many uses. The SDWS is the advanced alternative to bolting timber or batten and coach screws, being 30% faster and 10% stronger than an equivalent batten screw. The T40 star drive resists camming out, resulting in easier installations and longer bit life. The heads are stamped, easily identified with the length and diameter for building certification. An impressive 5.6mm diameter shank with 6 lengths and pack sizes to choose from will cover a variety of jobs. All of this and a double barrier coating for superior corrosion resistance, making it suitable for interior, treated timber and external applications. The SDWS is a superior structural screw for many different projects and is now available at leading hardware retailers. Follow the link below to find out more. Together, we're building safer, stronger structures.